Today we're going to be learning how to create motion graphics ads using Filmora 12. Like this. Hello everyone. Welcome to Salih Tutorials. In this complete motion graphics ads video, we'll be focusing on social media post designs. Firstly, let's open up Filmora 12 and start a new project. Then go to the text tool. And here click on quick text option. So the text will drop on your timeline. Double click on it and edit it. Write whatever you want to write here. I write fresh arrivals. I increase the text size, and I set it to 105. I change the font style. I choose Rollway Black font. After that, click on the Advanced option. From here change the text position to center. Scroll down to Customize settings. From here turn on the outline button. Then change its color. From here I choose white color. I increase the outline thickness. I give a little space in the text. Setting the outline thickness to around 9 would be good. Also adjust the line spacing of the text. And then click on Apply button. After doing this, now take a snapshot of it. Select the snapshot format JPG. And after that, click on the OK button. Now edit all your promo text in this title in the same way. And take a snapshot of it in JPG format. I quickly edit the rest of the text in the same way and take snapshots of it. After editing all your text and taking snapshots of it, delete the text on the timeline. Now drag and drop these text snapshots by numbers. Now reduce the duration of all these snapshots. Select the snapshot, and then click on the duration tool. From here I keep its duration to 3 seconds. We will also set this duration for the rest of the snapshots. So for that I select this duration. And copy it with Ctrl+C. Click Save. Now select the rest of the snapshots. Go to Durations. And paste the copied duration here with Ctrl+V. And then click Save. So we have the duration of each snapshot picture on the timeline set to 3 seconds. Now select these pictures. Right-click on it. And close the gaps between them by clicking on Close Gap. Now for this text we create a white border and leave the middle area black. So for that, I select the snapshot first. And click on Chroma Key. Within Chroma Key, I select the color from green to white. Scroll down to Chroma Key settings. Adjust the edge thickness from here. I set the edge thickness to around 4 to 5. And so I adjust the chroma key for the rest of the pictures. After doing this, now select all those pictures. And move it up a track by dragging it. Go to Stock Media. And here you will find many sample colors. We will use these sample colors as the background. From here I drag and drop a few color pictures of my choice into the bottom track of the timeline. Reduce the duration of all these pictures. That is, match the durations of the bottom background images to the top snapshots. After doing this, hide the background track below. And select Track Snapshots. And move it up one track further by dragging it. So we will have a new empty video track in the middle. Then go to Stock Media. And from here drag and drop the white color picture to the middle track of the timeline. Set the duration of this picture according to the snapshot of the track above. Now double click on this white color picture. Unfold the transform inside the basic section. Unlock the scale. Now decrease the value Y of the scale. This will create something like a white stripe. Move its position to the top line of text by position Y. Now we will animate the strip. So for this first keyframe, I take the position of the strip using the position X of the text above. Lock the top and bottom tracks. So we can only select the white picture. And make it disappear here by moving it to the start of the text like this. And then add the first keyframe to the start of this white picture. For the next keyframe, move the playhead forward a bit. And add another keyframe here. Move the position of the white picture to the left using position X in this keyframe. We will have text fill in this keyframe. So something like this animation will be created in the background of our text. Now we have to create a similar animation in the text below it. So for that, select the above pictures. And create an empty track by dragging and moving it to the top track. And then drag and drop another white color picture in this track. Now create an animation similar to the above text in this picture as well. Add the first keyframe of this picture to the end of the white color keyframes below. Now the same animation has to be made for the rest of the pictures. So for that, the easy way is to copy these two white color pictures. And paste it in the background of the rest of the snapshots as well. If the position of white color is not correct in the background of the text, put it in the correct position. Move the keyframe slightly past the start so that there is some space at the start of the animation. And similarly paste these white color animations pictures in the background of the rest of the text snapshots. Hide the lowest track. And keep the top 3 tracks on show. And now we have to export these text animations. Click the export button above. You can name the video as you wish. Video format should be MP4. And then click export below. After exporting the video, click Open Folder. Your exported video will open in the selected folder on your computer. Here I have an exported video, a green screen element, and a shoe picture to create motion graphics ads. These 3 files I import into Filmora. First, I delete all the pictures in the top 3 tracks of the Filmora timeline. And you can unlock and show the lowest track now. Delete the empty video tracks. Go to the Media tab. And delete all snapshots in the media. Now import these 3 files in this folder into Filmora Media. You will find the free download link of these 3 files in the description. First, I drag and drop the green screen element onto the timeline. Select the green screen element and go to the chroma key tool. And remove its green screen. After removing green screen, now copy this green screen file. And paste it to the end in the same track. After doing this, I now drag and drop the picture of that shoe onto the timeline. You can also add a picture of something else instead of shoes. Like watch, hat, glasses and/or anything else. Increase the duration of this picture, and keep it until the end. Double-click on the shoe picture. Go to Image tab. From here inside the transform I adjust the size of the shoe using the scale. And I adjust its position by moving it above the element. Now I animate this shoe picture. So for this, add a keyframe keeping the playhead at the start of the shoe picture. In this keyframe I rotate the shoe. and I rotate it about 28 degrees. And then I put the playhead in the end of the picture. And here I add another keyframe. There is nothing more to do in this keyframe. Move the playhead to center. Add another keyframe here. Now add one keyframe between these three keyframes as well. In this keyframe, we have to reset the rotate values. And in these last two keyframes, we have to reset the rotate values. So we'll have this shoe animate something like this on top of the element. Now split this shoe picture according to below elements. The duration of the element is about 3 seconds. So we have to split the above picture every 3 seconds. After doing this, we now have to flip every other element of the element. So for this, I double-click on the second element video, leaving the first element. Go to the Basics section. Flip the element horizontally from here. In addition to flipping the element, also move the position of the shoe over the element. And in the same way, skip the third element and flip the fourth and sixth elements and also move the positions of the shoes above it. So after following these steps, you will create an animation something like this. You can see that I have a shoe picture split into 6 parts. I want to change the colors of these 6 shoe colors. So for that, I'll leave the first shoe picture and double click on the second picture of shoes. Then click on the color tab in the top toolbar and select curves from the drop-down menu. In the curves panel, choose the color channel you want to adjust. Click drag the line on the curve to adjust the color balance of that channel. Drag the line up to add more of that color, or drag it down to remove it. Experiment with these settings to achieve the desired effect. In the same way, I adjust the colors of the rest of the shoe pictures using curves. This will make our ads look like we have shoes in many different colors. This trick will be helpful in turning any of your objects into many colors. So after following all these steps, you will change the shoes to different colors. Next, go to Media. Here, drag and drop the text animation video we imported onto the timeline. Now we have to remove the black background of this video. So for that, double-click on this video. Unfold the Compositing tab in the Basics section. Here in the Blending Mode box, select the Screen option. Select this text video and reduce its size by scaling. Adjust the text size and position according to the empty area of your screen or to your liking. Also split this video according to shoes pictures below. Now we have to adjust the positions of the text. Move the position of the text video to the empty area to the right and left of the shoes and elements. You can see that I have two spaces of yellow colors and elements for text. I want to edit the text here. So for that I drop the quick text on the timeline. I take its duration to end. Double click on the text and edit it. Select the color of the text according to your choice. I choose black color for it. I rotate the text according to the yellow element below. Zoom the display to your liking so you can easily work on top of the player. For this I choose Biba's Neue regular font. And I keep the font size 32. After double-clicking on the title, go to the animation section. And from here apply a nice animation for this text. Here I will apply string blur animation. Okay. Split this text according to the elements below at the same duration. We also have to move this text to elements. And adjust the text above the elements by rotating something like this. Copy this text. And paste the copied text above the flipped elements. So we will have text fit applied to all elements. Now in the same way I want to write something on the second yellow element also. Go to quick text again and click on it. The text will drop onto the timeline. Double click the text. Select the wavy style for the animation of this text. Then click on basic section. Edit the text from here. Here I write 20%. I set its duration to the first part of the element. Move the position of the digits there above the yellow elements. Keep the size according to the yellow circle in the element. The font I select for this is Biba's Neue Bold. Now copy it. And paste it on top of other elements as well, where we had filled the elements. Move the position of the digits there above the yellow elements. Now we will add some transitions between the video with text. Go to the Transitions tab at the top and click on it. Here are some transitions I have already downloaded. Some of these transitions I'll drag onto the timeline. First I drag and apply as many transitions as there are orbs to the text video. So I just applied orb transitions to the text video. Now we apply a special transition to the bottom one, which is the background colors track. The transition I search for is called Fly Eye. If you can't find this transition, you can use the dissolve transition instead. This Fly Eye transition I drag and drop between the bottom background colors. And so I apply the same transition between all the background colors. And finally, the last thing we have to add is the background music. Go to the Media tab and click on it. I have a BG music in a folder on my computer that I import into Filmora Media. You will find the free download link of this music in the description. You can use it absolutely free. Or you can use any music of your choice. And that's it. With Filmora 12, creating motion graphics ads for social media posts has never been easier. I hope this video has helped you learn more about motion graphics ads, and learn something new from it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video editing tutorials and tips to help you take your videos to the next level. Take care and see you all in the next video.